Hello and welcome to this short video presentation by Mineral Supplies International. I'm Chris Carr and I've been working with swimming pool filtration since 1979, and I'm here today to tell you about an excellent product called Jolly Gel. Jolly Gel will help to keep your swimming pool water in tip-top condition. But before you use Jolly Gel, it's important that you check your pH level to be correct at 7.3 to 7.6. Sand filters today can work with a number of different media such as graded silica sand, not builder sand, recycled graded crushed glass, or top of the range high grade Zia Clear. All of these medias will work adequately provided the filter and pump are correctly sized. Sand filters which use the medias I've previously mentioned are normally able to filter down to a size of around 15 microns, and most of the time that's fine. However, any particles smaller than this could pass straight through the filter media and return to the pool, making the water appear very cloudy or dull. Going back to our school days, you'll remember a micron is a term of measurement, and 1 micron is 1,000th of a millimetre. That's very small indeed. In fact, it's said that 40 microns is the smallest size that the human eye can see. However, a mass of very fine particles, less than 40 microns in swimming pool water, can make it appear cloudy or dull. Typically, there are times when this can be a significant problem, such as opening up an outdoor swimming pool after a winter closure when the water may contain algae or other fine debris. Other times might include heavy usage of the pool, perhaps over a busy weekend, or when fine debris has found its way into the pool water. In any case, the filter media may need some help to clear those finer particles, and that's when you need to use Jolly Gel. So what is Jolly Gel and how does it work? Well, Jolly Gel is a flocculant that's been used worldwide for over 20 years, and it's specifically designed to work with domestic and commercial swimming pool water. It's really simple to use. You just place it in the basket of the swimming pool pump. From there it will slowly dissolve, forming a sticky, gelatinous layer across the surface of the filter media. Very fine debris particles will become trapped in the layer formed by the Jolly Gel, and over the course of a day or two, the pool water will become crystal clear with an extra sparkle. Jolly Gel won't affect the performance of your pump or filter, but with the additional debris it collects, you may need to backwash your filter earlier than usual. After a few days using Jolly Gel, you might check your pump and find there's a small residual left in the basket. This is not a problem, and in fact it's best to leave it as it will continue to polish the water as it passes through the filter system. I think it's now time to have a look inside the plant room. I'll just start here by naming the typical equipment you're likely to find in your pool, plant room or filter house. The incoming water from the swimming pool enters the plant room via these suction pipes from the skimmers and the main drains. The pipework then converges into a manifold on the entry to the pump. The pump then pressurizes the water, making it flow through the multi-port valve and the filter, then back to the pool. You'll notice that each suction line has an isolation valve, which we will now temporarily close to avoid flooding the plant room or losing the pump prime whilst we insert the Jolly Gel cube into the pump. We'll also adjust the setting on the multi-port valve to the closed position to avoid a siphon action, possibly losing water back to the pool when we remove the pump lid. Some pumps will have a type of spanner supplied with them, so to make it easier to remove the pump lid, simply attach the spanner and turn in an anti-clockwise direction. Once the lid is removed, take out the strainer basket and make sure it is clean of any debris. Now it's time to insert the cube of Jolly Gel. Remove the clear packaging, place the cube of Jolly Gel in the pump basket, and then replace the basket back in the pump. Now we can refit the pump lid, making sure the O-ring and seating areas are clean and in good order. With the pump lid back in place, the system is once again sealed. We can now open up the valves again. First we'll open the suction line isolator valves, then we'll reposition the multi-port valve to filter mode. If your filter is fitted with a time clock, it would be best to override this and run the system continuously for a day or two whilst the Jolly Gel gets to work. So now we're done here in the plant room, it's as simple as that. Now all we have to do is wait a day or two for the Jolly Gel to work its magic. Jolly Gel is packed in neat boxes containing 4 cubes. Each individual cube will work on pool sizes between 20 and 60 cubic metres or 4,500 to 14,000 imperial gallons, which is fine for most domestic applications. For commercial pools, there is a larger cube which will work on a pool volume up to 450 cubic metres or 100,000 imperial gallons. Finally, it may be interesting for you to know that the standards for swimming pool water in the UK are set by the Pool Water Treatment Advisory Group. Recent tests using Jolly Gel showed a massive 48% improvement in water clarity over the PWTAG standard. So next time you're talking to your pool chemical supplier, ask them for Jolly Gel. It's the perfect solution for crystal clear swimming pool water.